All right, folks, today we're looking at 1029 North Dorgenois Street. Now, this is a condo. It's about 1,100 square feet. It's actually a new addition to the building I was just showing you to the right, which is a fourplex that's being fully renovated right now. There's a lot of unique features about this property. What strikes me first is that it's zoned commercial. And that's very valuable in New Orleans right now. According to the current city government ordinance, this is eligible for unrestricted Airbnb use, which means you can use it 365 days per year as a short-term rental if you so desire. The second thing that really struck me about this property is the excellent use of space. As you can see, this little half bath is tucked away down below the staircase here. Another thing that struck me about the property, here are the stone floors, is the contemporary design. I think it came off very sexy and sleek and new. Another thing is it's got a low HOA fee, $240 per month, and that'll include your water, common area maintenance, and the exterior insurance on the property. Look at this bathroom, it's just gorgeous. This is our master suite we're in right now. In total, the condo has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. And we're in Bayou, St. John right now. Some very valuable land, especially for Airbnb, if that is what you're interested in doing. That's because we're right by Jazz Fest and the racetrack. Here's another bathroom. Another part that's great are these fixtures, excuse me. They're all brand new and very sleek. We've got this offered at $279,000, which I think is an excellent price for what you're getting here. This was an addition to the building, so it is a brand new construction. I'll give you one last look at this kitchen. If you are interested in this property and would like a private tour or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. This is an area with a lot of new construction as well. We sold that place next door. I thank you for tuning in on this holiday Wednesday to watch a walkthrough with me. This will be Jacob with Chris Smith's office signing off. And I hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday season with your family. All right, bye-bye.